Course information. You'll develop the essential skills you need to produce basic bread products, gain experience in undertaking routine baking, some customer service, and general food preparation tasks. You'll also learn how to maintain stores, use food preparation equipment to prepare some fillings, participate in relevant work, health, and safety practices in a commercial bakery context. And on successful completion of this course, you'll have the skills you need to begin your career as a trade assistant in a baking environment. Course entry requirements. To make sure this course is right for you, please think about the important personal attributes and physical requirements that may be necessary to do this course. While some requirements of the course may be met with reasonable adjustment, you will need to make sure that you are physically able to undertake the tasks required to complete this course. This slide is a facilities virtual tour for the Hobart Bakery and Devonport Bakery. Timetable information. Devonport Market Square in Devonport from the 31st of August 2026 to 5th of November 2026, Monday to Thursday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. It is a mixed learning which includes some online and practical face-to-face, and it includes work placement in some cases. Timetable information for Hobart, Drysdale on Collins Street in Hobart from the 14th of September 2026 until the 19th of November 2026, Monday to Thursday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Also a mixed learning including some work placements. Course fees and associated costs. Please refer to the TASTAFE website for relevant course fees. Students are required to provide their own chef's jacket, chef's pants, 2 bib apron, and 1 chef beanie hat. Fully enclosed non-slip footwear, a ruler, a padlock, pen, pencil, and calculator. The application process. Applications will open on Thursday, May 28, 2026 at 12 p.m. Visit our website and go to the Apply and Enroll page and watch our Applying at TASTAFE presentation. After you have submitted your application, keep an eye out on your emails as we will advise the outcome of your application or if we need further information from you. TASTAFE offers a range of student support. We offer things like support with additional literacy and numeracy, support for study skills, advice about financial assistance, counseling, disability support, and career planning. Call 1-300-655-307 to make an appointment. That concludes our formal presentation. Now let's answer your questions.